Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got a short little quick DIY wooden trunk. So we're going to be building it and installing it in my Outlander Sport. This is totaling in like under 20 bucks for this project. I bought the wooden flooring planks at Lowe's on clearance for like $13. Those are just going to attach together. We're going to put a little bit of glue in the creases so that way they stay. Then we're going to grab our trunk liner from the Outlander Sport, trace it out. We're going to use a jigsaw to cut it out, and then we're going to use a router to clean up the edges a bit, and we'll start test fitting it in the Outlander. And it's a little dark, but this is the current back of my car, so it's just a cheap little guy. Goes in place, and then there's the carpet as well. But we're going to be putting the wood flooring on top of this. So there we go. Just finished cutting it all out. It's not perfect, not perfectly straight edges, but we'll see how it fits, and if it needs to be straightened up a little bit, we'll just go back and straighten it up or sand it so it's flatter. I haven't decided yet if I do actually want to route the edges or if I'm going to leave them like this, so I'm going to test fit it and go from there. GoPro, stop recording. Alright, so we just did our test fit, and yeah, I don't think I'm going to change anything about this. It's definitely not perfect, and there's some little gaps here along the back, but when you step back, it's exactly what I was going for. So the only thing I'm going to have to do is create a little handle so that way you don't have to pick it up from the sides over here, and it might replace the liner that's in there. So we're going to wrap this video up with a nice little end shot of the wooden trunk liner installed in my car. I want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch this video and checking it out. Leave a like if you can, subscribe if you can, and any feedback is always appreciated on the videos. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.